Good morning. Today I want to show you how to prepare porridge. Let's get started. Okay. So first, put water in a sufuria. Just enough water depending on the amount of porridge you want. Let the water boil. So for my case, I've added hot water. I think it will boil in a few minutes. So let's wait. So here I'm scooping some amount of the porridge flour into a bowl. This is what we'll mix with some water. So like that. You add depending on the amount of water that is in your sufuria. So I think this is enough for me. And also depending on the amount of the thickness that you desire in your porridge. Our water is now boiled, so we are ready to mix the mixture. Pour this mixture onto the boiling water, like that. Immediately start stirring in one direction. Stir in one direction continuously until now the porridge starts forming. So you will do this until you notice some change in your porridge. Just in one direction. Continue stirring. One direction. Don't get tired. Oh, this is the difficult part in porridge cooking. You stir and stir and stir for long. But anyway, it's part of the process. Sugar. Stir for the sugar to mix with the porridge really well. You wouldn't want to bite into the sugar particles. Do this for like 2 minutes. Once that is done, your porridge is ready. Yay! Today you've learned how to cook porridge, so you have no excuse at all not to cook it next time. A taste of my own porridge, sweet.